So today we assembled here to create awareness about glaucoma. So during this week, starting from March 10th to 16th, it's called the World Glaucoma Week. So everywhere all over the world, we celebrate this week as World Glaucoma Week. And starting on 10th, we're going to screen patients every day at Sarojini Devi Eye Hospital. To start off this week, we are going to inaugurate this week by the Health Minister. Okay, so we have other dignitaries also coming in on 10th March to inaugurate this World Glaucoma Week celebrations at Sarojini Devi Eye Hospital, and we'll also conduct a walk from here till Masab Tank. So that is also included and part of the program. So why are we doing this? So why is this disease so important that we want to create awareness about this disease? So glaucoma, what it does is it damages the nerve. The optic nerve connects the eyeball to the brain. So this nerve gets damaged slowly, progressively. So how does this get damaged? So we have something called pressure inside the eye. So when the pressure increases, the optic nerve gets damaged due to compression. So how are we going to treat this disease? Only by giving drops or laser or surgery. So but how can we treat? Unless you detect it, you cannot treat. The treatment options are available. For that detection to be possible, we have to first screen patients. If the patient comes to you only, we can screen. Why don't they come to you? Because they cannot identify the disease by themselves until late in the course of the disease. This disease does not have any symptoms. Like you have redness, pain and watering, patients come when they have symptoms, right? So for this disease, there are no symptoms. It is asymptomatic. So without symptoms, patient won't come to you. So that is why the necessity to screen. So screening ante, what is screening? So when you have a large population, patient is coming to you, you have to do all the tests for the patient in order to diagnose a disease. So that is screening. Suppose you screen 100 patients, in that at least 1 or 2 will have the disease. So the importance of screening for this disease is particularly important because we have asymptomatic presentation. That is, they present very late in the course of the disease with diminished vision, which is of very greater degree. Ante they can't see. They come to us when they can't see and they can't do their normal activities. So since it presents late, we have to diagnose it early to prevent vision loss. So what are we treating here? We are treating only intraocular pressure. How are we treating it? By giving drops or doing laser or doing surgery. So something is there called opportunistic screening. What it means is when patient comes to you for a diabetes or some pain or redness or for some spectacles for that matter, everybody goes to the optometrist for spectacles. So we should not do that. We should go to a proper ophthalmologist, get all the tests done like intraocular pressure check, looking at the angles, which is called gonioscopy, optic nerve examination and visual fields. So all these tests have to be done for the disease to be detected early. If we diagnose it early, we can give treatment and stop the progression. Progression means from the disease, from early stage, it doesn't go into the advanced stage. It will stop there. So to halt the progression, we have to detect the disease early. So for this, we are creating awareness for people to come for a checkup. So how are we creating this awareness? By organizing walks and rallies like this, and also through press like you all. You will write in the paper, we'll tell them on radio, through TV. So all these tools we use to create awareness in the public. And we can write articles on this, right? So we can advertise in different print media or social media. We can put up videos, right? So we can also do different patient education programs. We can call the patients and their attenders and educate them about this disease and the various treatment options available if it's diagnosed. And those who have family history, they can be screened. Those who are using steroids for a long time, those who have a history of trauma, those who are wearing spectacles, thick glasses, right? So all these categories of people can be screened and glaucoma can be diagnosed. 10 minutes అన్న పడుతుంది. మళ్ళీ ఒకవేళ డైలేట్ చేయాలంటే డ్రాప్స్ వేసామనుకోండి ఇంకా టైం పడుతుంది. సో 1 అవర్ 45 minutes to 1 hour పడుతుంది. వెయిటింగ్ టైం కూడా ఉంటుంది. సో అరౌండ్ 45 minutes to 1 hour for complete examination of a single patient. సో దే హ్యావ్ టు గెట్ అ కాంప్రిహెన్సివ్ ఐ ఎవాల్యుయేషన్, అంటే అన్ని టెస్టులు చేయించుకోవాలి, అప్పుడే డిటెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. వెళ్ళి మనం అద్దాలు చేంజ్ చేసుకోవడానికి వెళ్ళి అద్దాలు మార్చుకుంటే డిటెక్ట్ అవ్వదు. సో ఈ పరీక్షలు అన్నీ చేయించుకుంటేనే గ్లాకోమా డయాగ్నోస్ అవుతుంది. So we should insist on a comprehensive eye examination when we go to an eye doctor. Thank you.